back from doing the tests. It's so eerie being here all alone.
Trust me, I know. I promise you can say that again. How's the subject doing?
One seems to be doing fine.
Alright. Did you make sure to lock the doors?
Of course, do you think I'm some type of an idiot?
No, heaven's not. Just wanting to make sure is all.
Good.
What's going on?
I don't know. Wait, isn't that the alarm for an escape?
I thought that you said that you locked the door! You idiot!
So did I. We need to get out of here.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock. Wait, is it coming closer? But watch out! Ah!